guys. So this is the assignment I've been talking about all week. I'm calling it Operation Brighten Their Day. And what you're going to do is brighten somebody's day today by creating a short video of you playing any song you want. It can be something from our book, one of the packets I sent you. It can be one you learned on YouTube. And you're going to just email it to them and brighten their day. So I've put a link in this assignment to Greenwood's staff page. So click on the staff page. The first two that you'll see come up are our principal and assistant principals. Then you go to teaching staff. This is where you'll find the email addresses of some of your former teachers. I'm sure Miss Coram would love a video if you're an AIM Aspire, one of her students. Mrs. Foote would probably love to see your faces. Your classroom teachers are there. You might say, oh, I remember my second grade teacher. I'd like to send it to her. Or Miss McKittrick in the art room. Or, of course, Miss Van Heusen's going to love it, being a music teacher. So pick anybody that's one of your former teachers, or you can come over to classified staff. Here you're going to find office workers. You're going to find recess aides. Miss Robin, our custodian, would love it. I know Miss Abby or Miss Collin would love it as well. So you could find somebody from this page, and you know Miss Thomas in the library would love to hear you play. So you can pick anybody you want. In fact, if you're enjoying this and you get a good video and you want to send it to more than one person, that's fine. So here's how I'll know you've completed your assignment. You're just going to go into the comments on this assignment, and you're going to say, I played Uptown Funk for Mrs. Thomas. And you're just going to tell me what you played and who you played it for. And like I said, if you want to choose several people, that's awesome. Send it to as many people as you want. Hey, I didn't mention me. I'm on here somewhere. You can always send it to me because you would brighten my day for sure. There I am. So what you'll do is just grab the email address here for whoever you're sending it to. I'm going to do a quick copy, jump over to my email, paste it in, and then you can put anything in the subject. You could write something like, listen to my song. And then use your webcam on your Chromebook to take a video and insert it here. If your webcam on your Chromebook is giving you trouble, you could always have your mom or dad videotape you and send it from their phone too, or you could use your own device. All right, good luck. Can't wait to see whose day you brighten, and maybe it'll be me. You never know. See you later.